Electric skateboard tricks, cross step.
Do you ever wonder how to show off your electric skateboard in the coolest way? Follow Veymax and learn one trick today. Now, you are in the episode 2, how to do the cross step on your Veymax electric skateboards.
Okay guys, today we are going to learn the basic cross step. Now before we get started, first things first, helmet. Always wear a helmet. Number 2, have a nice open area, no cracks, no potholes. Keep away from the cars. You want a lot of room in order to practice. Number 3, loosen up your trucks. The more pivoting, the better. Softer bushings, whatever the case may be, as long as you can pivot the board a little easier, the better. We don't need high speed. We're going to do anywhere from 2 to 12 miles per hour tops. Lastly, street wheels. Street wheels coast a lot better. A lot of the times when we're doing a basic move and we let go of the throttle, we want as much free roll as possible. All-terrain tires have a lot of rolling resistance and they're not as good as street wheels when it comes to longboard dancing. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm goofy-footed, right leg up front. If you are regular, your left leg is up front. So since I'm goofy-footed, I'm gonna start with my right leg up front. This foot down a little bit on a diagonal. Not completely sideways like this, but a little bit on a diagonal. So again, foot all the way back down, okay? Then you're gonna take your left foot and cross it over, okay? And then you're gonna bring that right foot back, right here, all right? And then put that left foot back. So let's practice it. Okay? Keep practicing this movement, lots of muscle memory. Keep doing this while your board's not moving. Okay. Once you practice that for a little while, then you want to do like a little finessing hop. Like that. Okay. And back. Okay. Like all one movement. Okay. Now your feet will try to go down a little bit this way, and that's how you enter into a carve, which we'll get into a little bit later. So now let's try it moving. Here, 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 here. Okay. Do it again. Here, 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 here. Okay. Let's keep practicing this while moving. Again, we're not going fast at all. 5 or 6 miles per hour. Okay. Keep practicing that. Listen, and if you come off, no biggie. You're just gonna run it right off. No biggie. You are not going fast at all. Okay. So now once you learn the basic cross step while riding, let's implement a carve along with it. So we're going to do a heel side carve out. We're coming back in. All right, we're going to hop like I told you before and cross over. Heel side carve. I'm going to go back in the toe side. Right foot back, left foot over. So let's do that slower. Carving this way. Foot down, over, over, there. And that is the cross step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tricks.